What's up guys, welcome back to another video. From Paris to Munich, now we're here in beautiful Barcelona, one of the best preserved medieval cities in Europe, and we're continuing this budget challenge series with only $100 each between Liz and I to explore this amazing city, and we're ready to see how far we can stretch our dollars. Are you ready? Let's get it. Starting the day off with a delicious breakfast here at Wittmore Hotel that's included with our stay. This hotel is a 5-star boutique hotel in the heart of Barcelona. This hands down one of the best breakfasts we had at a hotel with impeccable service. Good morning. First breakfast here in Barcelona at our hotel. The second course. What did you get? The potato omelet.
Tortillas de patata.
Some salmon eggs benedict here. Welcome to the world's largest Roman Catholic church. Getting some souvenirs. Markets here, market stands along the streets of La Sagrada Familia. So many people. Look. This is what it looks like around noon. Shop, cafe, and some ice cream, gelato, 2 scoops, 2 boles, $5.50. Gonna get the nougat and Kit Kat. Oh, we have.
My glasses are made in Barcelona.
Oh, really? Wow. Handmade. Barcelona. Our first Tapas bar Barcelona. We just ordered Spanish beer. For those of you who don't know what tapas are a small appetizer or snack that's a part of the Spanish cuisine. Also an assortment of tapas, 6 different ones here. Some fried potatoes with spicy sauce, it can be combined into a full meal. Here we got a few tapas and drinks for lunch. Red wine Cabernet from Catalones. Tatas fritas. Yes, our first tapas. Ham croquettes. It's like a flavored popsicle, basically. Cola. Strolling here at Barceloneta, one of their famous beaches here. See how crowded it is compared to Hawaii. Here in Barcelona. Part of our $100 day challenge, our dinner. Paella, nice glass of tempranillo, artichoke chips, salad. Throw a healthy dinner here. Creme brulee and a shot of espresso. In total, we had breakfast included with our hotel stay, 2 metro rides, views of Sagrada Familia, souvenirs, 2 scoops of gelato, tapas, visited the famous Barceloneta Beach, saw the celebration of Spanish Saints parade, and enjoyed paella for dinner. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment of your thoughts down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you guys in the next one.